Do you have a Chica? Go fish. Take it. Oh, ooh, this one looks like a good one. Do you have a Bonnie? Go fish. What you guys doing? Playing Go Fish. Okay. Quit, you're messing up all the cards. Fine. Oh, you're a good rage critter, you know that? I know. Oh well. Stop! Guys, you wanna go on the trip? What kind of trip? Yeah. Probably field trip? Yeah, sure. Wait, can I go on the field trip? No, you get lost. Oh, okay, bye-bye. Let's go, dude. Let's go, guys. Oh, good. So, you might as well take those cards with you. Alright. Done. You're missing one. Oh, okay. So, we're done. So let's go on the field trip now. Alright, let's go. Come on, guys. Okay. I'll take the cards. Whoa, this kind of looks good. Looks haunted, though. I know. We're in a haunted place. Well, I don't really like the sound of that. Let's just go. Okay, let's go. Dad! Okay, let's go. We're out. No, let's go back.